All right. Happy. I don't know what day this video is going to be uploaded, but two things. My cut is, well, I cut my hair and it's off again. Like the cut is not right. I just washed it and kind of like put my fingers through it to check and see. And the cut again is off. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to fix that. And number two, I am going to be putting in some kinky curly extensions, clip-ins. This is to all my black girls. I have worked with them before years ago and I am back with them again. The hair is freaking amazing. I will give you some updates as to what I did with this hair, but I did cut it, customized it, colored it because it's darker. This is the original color, so as you can see it's brown, and I went ahead and dyed it black so that it would match my hair. I haven't brushed it out or anything, but I have played around with it being in twist. So I'm gonna fix my hair and then I'm gonna put these clip-ins in and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do that. So I'm going to be using a combination of a few things to fix this. Won't be much, but hey, it happens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a combination of things: the clippers, my trimmers, and a pair of cutting shears. These are professional shears that you use to cut hair with. I have quite a few of them. You can find them at a beauty supply store or on Amazon, but they have this little thing here because there's ways that you are supposed to use these. I'm also going to be using straight razor. First of all, I need to find where it is. I do like to use little small straight razors, mainly to like make sure that my lineup is better. So I'm going to use that. I prefer to cut my hair while it's in afro texture and dry, because you get this true sense of the shape based off how your actual texture is. So as you can see, I deal with probably about 50% shrinkage. So my hair is actually a lot longer than it appears, but I don't want to touch anything in the front. I just want to make sure that my back, so I'm going to turn around and show you guys, my back is right and leveled. As you can see, it's not leveled. So this here is a problem. So this happens. So I'm going to cut it. All right, so gonna voice over, starting off by picking my hair. I like to cut my hair dry. I don't suggest that you cut natural hair wet. So this is my way of doing it. I use my scissors just to kind of give me a shape again first, and then I'll use my clippers without any guards. If you are new to this, I would not suggest you do this. You have to have a steady hand and actually understand how to create shape with hair, especially natural 4B, 4C texture, coily afro hair. So it's best that you use a guard, but you'll see me use a guard in the next couple of clips. I'll show you what guards that I'm using that allows you to leave enough hair so you're not cutting off all of your hair. But because I've been maintaining this shape for a number of years, I have gotten pretty good at cutting my hair without a guard at all. And yes, the blades are closed. I know someone's going to ask me that, but the blades are closed. You can have your blades open or closed. Open if you're a beginner, closed if you are not. Starting off with the number 6, it's like a 3/4 cut, meaning that that's how much it kind of leaves off. I start off with the highest number first so I can make sure I can kind of blend in everything at this point. Even though I know the hair is fairly shorter than that that guard allows to cut for. You see me transitioning to the number 5. So as you see, I'm going shorter. So the higher the number of the guard, the shorter the amount of hair that you'll have left over when you're cutting using that guard. I hope that makes sense. So see you now, I've jumped to 3, and this is actually just about where my hair is in some areas that needed to be leveled off, especially the shorter. And see, dropping down to number 2, leveling everything off. So I always start off with the longest or the highest number guards first, and then I slowly bring myself down to my number 1. And at this point, you see me using the smaller clippers without a guard at all. And then you have to brush and comb and pick your hair out every once in a while to make sure that you're getting a good even cut. Here I am lining up as usual, using my T guards. These are new clippers, well, new trimmers actually. And I always line up first in the back, and then I'll show you guys what I do when I get to the front, because I do have a new method. I don't want to say it's that much new. You guys seen me do it before, but it may be new to some of you. I use like some form of styling cream to kind of like just clean up my hairline. So I don't use my clippers like I used to do my hairline in the front anymore. I use a blade that you would use, you know, to shape your eyebrows. So that's what I use, either a straight razor or a blade. And this is just me finishing up the cut. All right, so the shape is better. I got my length still in the front. Less hair to have to deal with when it comes to styling. Shape is everything. So what I'm going to do is probably twist all of this up, and going to, yep, got enough to play with to add in. Yeah, this is good gradation, or gradation should I say. But yeah, I'm going to twist it of some sort, and then I'm going to put some clip-ins in it. But I like this shape because I can actually wear it in an afro texture or afro state, or twist out, or clip-ins, or whatever I feel like doing. But I had to fix it, so I'm going to add the clip-ins now. Okay. So with using the clip-ins this time, I wanted to mimic as if like you were a person that had, you know, even hair all throughout your hair. Say like a TWA, like you have a short TWA natural. You don't have a lot of length in the top. You can definitely use clip-ins to do that. To all my black girls, want to thank them for sponsoring this video. This was so fun to do. It was different from all of the other videos that I've done using their products, their clip-ins. I had to customize them like you should with everything. This is what I teach. This is what I do. So yes, you definitely want to customize clip-ins, and you would be able to wear them as often as you need to if they're customized according to a particular style that you wear quite often. So you're just going to watch me, you know, continue to cut, style, and customize this unit or these unit pieces, and we'll go from there. Right, here is my hair. So I am going to take pieces of it and twist it with some jelly. You're like Curls Unleashed jelly. So I'm just going to, because my hair likes gel so far. And I'm just going to twist that, and it's going to set and dry, and it's going to have the exact same, well, I don't want to say exact same, but close to the same curl pattern as the clip-in extensions. So I'm gonna make sure I pick pretty small pieces. Make sure hair is saturated with the product. And when you twist, make sure it's even. And I think at the ends, I'm gonna finger coil it because the ends of the actual clip ends are like that. And let's do this and separate that and twist. You know, natural hair, you can pat it down to shape it, but I just want to make sure all of this is curled. And the rest, I'm going to use some Wave Whip. It's like a curling mousse. And on the areas that are shorter that I really don't care to finger twist, coil, whatever, I'm just gonna put this on those areas, and I'm going to use a sponge. Then put a little mousse in the actual hair. Perfect. There we go. This. And I'll be back with the final look. All right, so what you should do, I had already started separating the twist of your hair. Try not to separate too much, but just enough where it blends. With the clip ends, I got a trick that you could do. Like you could take, see the clip in your hair and kind of mesh it together. You could also use your fingers to do that, but I'm trying to separate just enough to get it to match and move with the rest of the hair. All right, so let's give you guys a 360. That was a fast 360, wasn't it? Let's go back this way. So let's see, this way, and the back of my hair. And this side, which I really like this side. I really like the way that it blends. But again, clip-in extensions are exactly what they are. But if you want to see me customize these clip-ins, make sure that you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, because in the next 2 days I'm going to upload that video on how I customize them, because like I said, they did not come like this. And I am going to share with you guys something new that I'm going to be doing with To All My Black Girls. So make sure you share, comment, rate, whatever you got to do to this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'll show you guys what I'll do with this hair next. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you check out this playlist. You get a view of how I've used their clip-ins when my hair was a lot longer. So if you have longer hair, you may want to look at those videos and see how I worked with the other textures. I'll see you guys in the next video.